subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Nokia has silently launched its new budget smartphone in Russia called Nokia C01 Plus with a classic old design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the Nokia C01 Plus features a 5.45-inch HD Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by octa-core Uni-SoC SC98638 chipset paired with 1GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 128GB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Nokia C01 Plus supports a single 5MP camera on the rear at the top center including LED flash. And for selfies, it has another 5MP camera under the thick bezel at the top along with the LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 under Go edition and it packs with 3000 mAh removable battery that supports 5W charging. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 148 by 71.8 by 9.3mm and it weighs around 157 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nokia C01 Plus has been priced in Russia at 6,490 Russian rubles. And the smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in blue and purple color options. So what do you guys think of this Nokia C01 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.